who was? Oh, did you hear about the? Well, this is not a lawsuit, and you shouldn't take this case. Okay, out of being, you're part of the media now. You can't take this case. Did you hear about the issue up at No Jumper?
Nah, what happened? I heard something. I heard there was a shooting, but I didn't hear the details. Somebody posted a comment. They're like, "Yo, do a video on the shooting at No Jumper." I couldn't find anything about it.
And I'm going off, and for anybody here, I have no horse in the race. Okay, me and Adam, we're cordial. We're not beefing, but I'm not like we're best buddies.
Yeah, shout out to Adam. He showed me a lot of love. We did that.
Apparently, and we could extrapolate off it. We don't have to talk about like that. We could talk about what would normally happen in situations like this. So an employee of No Jumper claims that, a security guard at No Jumper shot him. This is crazy.
Like intentionally? Like he shot him?
Well, that's not clear yet. He has
a security guard. You might have to shoot somebody.
Yeah. So the guy's gonna.
You would hope not one of the employees at the.
Now I've talked to Adam, right, and I kind of know a little bit more, but I want to keep it on the surface. Like I don't want to like really. Well, I can say this part. The dude was supposedly, jamming the gun or something like that, and maybe a bullet went off. But apparently the dude didn't get hit. Allegedly, right?
Okay.
Allegedly he didn't get hit. He said he got hit. Now it's in this weird area. So he's saying he got shot. Apparently he went to the hospital. They said, where? We couldn't find anything. But we've heard this before with Meg. When we heard it first, the doctor's going to find it. And then they're like, no, we got the bullet fragments. So we don't know. Apparently he's super upset. And from what I hear, he tried to offer Adam some money, or he demands some money from Adam to say, hey, if you give me this money now, by the way, he's doing this without a lawyer to this point. Give me this money now,
folks.
I'm good.
Right.
Apparently Adam's like, fuck no. Now he's at the point where he's about to sue. Is it something that, well, obviously it's a suable thing if you shoot somebody, right?
That's a really interesting question. So I can't speak to California. In New York, if that dude over there shot me right now, so it'd come down to, well, I'm not at work right now, but let's say you're an employee.
Yeah.
All right. And there's a security guard here and I get shot by the security guard's gun. So because I work for you, I can't sue you because it's a workplace injury.
What?
Yeah, I got like you would think that I could sue my job if I get shot at work or if I get hurt at work. You can't sue your job. In New York, you're prohibited from filing lawsuits against your employer. You're limited to workers' compensation unless there's a death or an intentional act. So if your employer shoots you intentionally, it's a criminal matter, obviously. Okay. So you definitely can file a
apparently it was a freak accident, but and again,
No Jumper
claim.
Like a negligence lawsuit, failure to safeguard the workplace. You can't file negligence claims against your employer unless there's a death. So I would have no lawsuit against my employer. Now,
so you would have to go die and come back?
Well, but here's the interesting part. Let's say you hired a third-party security company.
Well, that's exactly what they did.
So if the security guard doesn't work for Off the Record, the security guard is employed by ABC Security, I can sue ABC Security because they're not my employer. That's called a third-party lawsuit. Now, the difference is in workers' comp, you don't get no money, really. In workers' comp just pays you for any weeks you miss from work.
But pain and suffering.
No pain my and leg. In workers' comp.
They gave me a leg us.
Don't get hurt at work.
Really?
Yeah, no pain and suffering in workers' comp.
Yo, I kid you not, and this happened in Jersey. My brother works at this place with crazy people.
New York only, I'm talking.
He works at this place with crazy people. One day, one of these crazy motherfuckers, you know, like the hospital, the crazy hospital?
Yeah.
One day, one of these crazy motherfuckers, he's trying to get him to take their pills. This nigga was off some shit. He just pulled back and socked my brother in his, was in his eye or his nose. Broke the whole orbital socket.
Yeah.
My brother couldn't work for a year. They had to do reconstructive surgery, multiple stuff. He was out. I'm thinking, yo, you're finna get the bag.
Got nothing. You got a year of pay and some medical bills paid. That's it. That's it. But it's fucked up.
I showed up and I saw him one day and I was just like, yo, he looked like he couldn't open his eye. Yeah. He was in so much pain. I'm like, oh. The whole time I'm like, yo, all right, bro, there's going to be 2 millionaires in the family. We go. Like, what's popping? Hell no.
You know what the worst part is? We have this.
He's still fighting for money.
Yeah, you can't sue the crazy guy. He's not worth nothing. You could file a lawsuit against him, but it wouldn't be worth your time. The crazy part about the workers' comp bar is it's all of our workers in like the most dangerous industries that keep getting hurt at work, and they really don't get any compensation. Security guards, people working in the mental hospitals because the patients are always wilding out. They're always getting attacked by people who are worthless and for a job that they can't sue in negligence. This sucks. We got to change that. We have a state senator in New York who I got to write her a letter, man. Like this shit got to change.
Wait, so you telling me you get popped at your job, and if you make it out to the other side and you still breathing, you're only getting workers. But I guess this guy, he could sue because I heard it was a third party company. It wasn't. The security guard is contracted for the third party company and was at No Jumper.
Yeah, so you could sue a third party company because the restriction applies to suing your employer.
And that's what it would be in New York. In California, maybe some other shit. Damn.
It's crazy. Yeah, I hope that guy gets better, though, and shout out to Adam.
Yeah, then I think he good. I don't see him with no bandage on. I got a bandage. Hey, be honest. And let's get off of this situation. If somebody tells you, yo, I don't know, it could be like, I don't know, a city worker. Yo, I'm working and because of a negligent whatever, I fell in the manhole that was 10 feet deep. Like, are you going to be like, yo, bro, I don't care if you broke your leg or not. Put on a neck brace. That's what I see in the movies. That's the only problem I have with this guy. This guy looked too healthy. like I can't give you no. Yo, you gotta act the part. How you get shot? There's no bandage, no cast, no nothing.
Yo, the neck brace. I feel like lawyers just have like a client. Isn't there a movie where like the client comes in and he like signs the agreement, the dude opens up the closet, he got a neck brace, like
get a sling, get a neck brace. Yo, my boy don't have it. Yo, if I'm him, I'm at least recording a video of me walking with a limp. Like, bro, you look too healthy. Like too healthy. Like, don't you got to play the part?
I got ethics rules to follow, ladies and gentlemen. Please do not act and have fake injuries, and certainly.
Everybody's always told me if you get in a car accident, you know it ain't your fault. Somebody T-bone you. Hopefully you're all right, first of all. But if you're all right, you move all your fingers, move all your toes, and then all you do is crawl out the car. My neck, my back. I'm like, Kia, my neck and my back. That's what you do. You don't move. They say they're trying to roll you over. The person comes out. Oh, sorry for hitting you. Let me get you up. No. Get the ambulance and get my lawyer. That's what I've heard.
Yep, get your lawyer, DJ Academics. You gotta hook you up with that neck brace. You're gonna catch that bag.